All right, has this happened to you in your truck? All right, the new one is installed and it comes with these little rubber bushings to kind of set it up off of the frame. So it's all plugged in, tightened down. Let's see if it starts. It does, but we still have the check engine light on, so probably have to go get that cleared. But yeah. And don't forget to put your spare tire up.